on the Rubicon Trail, and one of the most important things, you know, when you outfit your vehicle, everybody thinks of the big items, right? The winch, bumpers, lift kit, bigger tires, but a lot of the little components people don't think about are things like lighting. We're using SYLVANIA lights. These are backed by a lifetime warranty. We think that we're an old company, over 71 years doing this. This is 100 years of expertise behind this lighting brand. That's why we put them on our vehicles.
You take a light like this, it's a nice floodlight from SYLVANIA. Easy installation, not a major project to put something like this on. Really provides that wide range of lighting that you do need when you arrive at camp. It's very effective on really lighting up the whole area.
Setting up a tent in the dark again. Can I get some light? There we go, nice. We're running in the dark a lot. There's uncertainties all over the trail. You might run the trail 100 times in your life. It's different at night. The rocks seem bigger, the shadows seem bigger, and just something like this is super handy to help light the way and get you there safe.
All right, so we're gonna stop talking about the lights, get in the vehicles, drive another 4 hours in camp, and show you how the SYLVANIA lights will illuminate our journey into camp. The biggest challenge we have is seeing obstacles on the trail for what they actually are. And this is when damage to your vehicle really becomes the most probable. You can see where the guides are in front of us. It helps us navigate and negotiate those obstacles and ensures we get to camp safely.